Hello. I just risked my life in the pouring rain. It came out of nowhere. I was just going to this place called Very Good Restaurant in Pak Nam Pran. Yes, it's actually called that. And a torrential downpour started, like essentially just right on top of me. And I got to the restaurant and I put an order in, and we got 2 cashew chickens, a shrimp stir fry, a grilled chicken salad, and a little bag of rice for 500 baht, which in US dollars is, I believe, less than 15, which is $15, which is incredible. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Just as I was leaving, like I got my food, I paid, the sky opened up above me, and I saw a double rainbow. And then I just cruised all the way home, no rain on me, which was awesome. So here's what we got. All good stuff. And I took a bite, and so far I highly recommend it. It's amazing. Guys, look how big this shrimp is. It is literally massive. I mean, compared to what we have in the States. Usually the States, we got some little teeny shrimps. This is massive. Incredible. Nadia's got a big one too over there.
I just ate it.
So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. We have like 5 shrimp in here. The salad's awesome. I love this. Nadia loves the salad. I love the shrimp. This cashew chicken is incredible, and we still have an extra one with rice. So I'll let you know how that goes. I want more. All right, we just finished dinner. We had 1 whole container of cashew chicken left and about half of the salad. So in theory, we could have done just 1 cashew chicken and 1 shrimp stir fry. I mean, the shrimp were massive. They were super filling, plenty of vegetables. We probably could have done this meal for probably 300 baht, maybe less. Yeah, I would say right around 300, maybe less, who knows. But next time we'll try to see how we do with just getting 1 cashew chicken and 1 shrimp stir fry and some rice, because it went a long way. I mean, I've never seen portions like that. Now we're gonna go for a little walk, and we'll show you our little road that we're gonna walk down. So next week we got some pretty fun stuff planned. Oh, there's a cat over there. Oh, he's hiding in the corner over there. It's just creeping on us. We got some fun stuff planned next week. Nadia's gonna go do pickleball with my mom on Sunday. So I'm sure there will be a video about that, what pickleball is like in Thailand. I've only played pickleball 1 time against Nadia, and she has absolutely destroyed me. So she's pretty good. We'll see how the pickleball scene is out here. And then on Monday, we are going to the, probably gonna say this wrong, Huahin Wild Animal Park. And then on Wednesday, we're gonna be doing this adventure dirt biking tour. That's gonna be my dad and I. There will be a video posted on both of our channels. His is the Almost Retired in Thailand channel, and then on our new YouTube channel as well. Yeah, we'll go around. We have hit some flooding right here.
That is the end of our journey.
Yeah, flooding, so now we're gonna head back the other way. Beautiful, beautiful evening, and we will we will see you guys next time. We're gonna try to do a video a day, just kind of documenting everything that we're up to here, what we like, what we don't like. So far, there has not been anything I don't like. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are all doing good, and we will see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on. And that's what the sky looks like right now. Beautiful.
JD, you had to. JD.
Some donkeys, Mama.